Hello students, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to discuss the fourth chapter of your supplementary reader named as Snapshot, and the name of the lesson is Albert Einstein at School. And this incident is written by Patrick Pringle. Okay, so let us see. It is the part of Einstein's biography, and where Einstein has expressed the days when he was at a school, and he has also expressed that he does not like to stay at the school. So how he escaped from the school, let us see in this chapter in the words of Patrick Pringle. So let us first of all read about the author. Patrick Pringle was born in 1935 in Rochester, New York. He was a freelance writer. Students, you might have seen many of the authors who used to write on the specific themes. Suppose someone likes to write on the nature, as we know about Wordsworth. Someone likes to write about the women empowerment, the child labor, and such themes they just select and they love to write over that. But here we have seen that Patrick Pringle was a freelance writer, so he loves to write on all the themes whatever he like. So he was a freelance writer and photographer, wildlife biologist and educator. He was the executive editor of Nature and Science magazine during 1965 to 67. He won several awards. So chief among several awards are the New Jersey Institute of Technology in 1970 for the Only Earth We Have Spatial Conservation Award, National Wildlife Federation in 1978, Hoover Book Designation, New York Academy of Science 1980 for natural fire, its ecology in forest. So this is all about the introduction of the author Patrick Pringle. Now let us discuss about the incident about Albert Einstein for which this lesson is meant. So this extract from Albert Einstein biography records the unhappy period of his schooling in Munich. Eventually, Einstein was expelled from school. As I have told you, students, that Einstein did not like to study in the school because many of the subjects in which he didn't find interest were taught there in the school. So that was being called by him the unhappy period of his life. Okay, so where he did his schooling, that is from Munich. But due to his rebellious behavior, he was being expelled from the school. Let us see. At school, Einstein was not at all enthusiastic about the study of history. Basically, he hates to study history. He felt it was more important to study ideas than fact. So, according to Einstein, he believed that a student must uh, have new ideas in his life in place of learning facts from the history subject. His teachers at school in Munich were displeased with him, so Albert was miserable most of the time. Albert had been sent to this school to study for a diploma. His living quarters offered no relief to him. So, as we know that his teachers didn't like Einstein due to his rebellious nature, and he keep on argue with the teachers regarding the learning facts. And one more thing is being expressed here, that Albert remains sad most of the time. Why he remains sad? Because the place where he lived at Munich did not give him any sort of relief, because there was dirt and squalor and plenty of slum violence, means lot of disturbance was there, therefore he remained sad. Now let us see. His only friends were Yuri, a medical student, and Elsa, his cousin from Berlin. They tried to cheer him up. Einstein, however, did like to study geology and books on science. He was exceptionally good at maths. He also played on the violin to console himself. Means his time to enjoyment was playing the violin, and he was exceptionally good at maths. Means he was very good at maths. He is having interest in reading the books related to the geology and science. Okay, now let us see. After 6 months, Einstein could take it no more. Means after studying in the school for 6 months, he came to the decision that he could not continue with the school. So he wanted to get away from school. So therefore he asked his friend Yuri to find a nerve doctor who would give him a certificate of nervous breakdown and recommend him rest for 6 months. So as he was not interested in continuing with the school, therefore he asked his friend to search for a nerve doctor who can easily provide him a certificate proving that Einstein is having a nervous breakdown and he requires rest for 6 months from the school. So ultimately Yuri found the doctor. What was the name of the doctor? Dr. Ernest. But told Einstein to be absolutely truthful with him. So Yuri also tried to convince Einstein that whatever you want, you just speak in front of the teacher. But Einstein became nervous at the time when he visited the doctor. Then the Dr. Ernest Will, got convinced that seriously the child Einstein is having nervous breakdown. Therefore he felt he was really close to the nervous breakdown and he just provide him the certificate very easily. Then Einstein's plan was to return to Milan where his parents live. Means Einstein wants to go back to his parents at Milan, and as we know that he want to leave Munich because he didn't find interest by living there and he was not getting anything there. So therefore he asked his maths teacher for a reference which would enable him to continue his education in Milan. Okay, so he requested his maths teacher to provide him a reference letter so that will help him to get better education at Milan also where he was going. The next day, before Einstein could present the medical certificate to his principal or headmaster, he was called by the head teacher and asked to leave the school. The head teacher asked him that he just gave him order to leave the school as we all know that teachers were mispleased with him and they thought that Einstein is a disgrace to the school. Okay, then Einstein had been expelled for constant rebellion. We all know that he was rebellious in nature and quite argumentative with the teachers even regarding learning the facts. So he was considered as constant rebellion for the school. Therefore he was being expelled from the school. Then he also want to leave the school, so he was expelled ultimately. But in Munich only Yuri was the person whom he want to say goodbye there because he had very bitter experience. Means he did not find any enjoyment there at Munich. Even he did not get the happy time there. Therefore he has said that most unpleasant time of his life was the school time at Munich. Okay, now let us read about the introduction of Einstein. Who was Einstein? He was the towering figure in the field of science. Means he is the most important among the most important people in the field of science, very famous one, and he was greatest physicist of the century and therefore he is been called the father of modern physics. Now let us see the history teacher. His history teacher's name was Mr. Brown, and he asked questions from Einstein related to history. And what was his question in the class? When the Persians defeated the French at Waterloo. So he asked for the date, the year. But Einstein could not reply to this question of Mr. Brown. Not only he was unable to answer, he frankly admitted that he was not interested in learning the dates. And he says that one could learn them from the books. And he said that he believed that education should be about ideas and not the facts. But the history teacher got angry and he said that Albert is a disgrace to school and he didn't know why he attended the school. If he is not happy at school, he didn't like the pattern of the school, that why he is attending the school, why he is been admitted there. Then Einstein said that he came against his wish, means his father has sent him. He was not at all interested in coming to the school. Then let us see about his compulsion, means why he is being sent to school. His father wanted Albert to complete his diploma. Okay, and the lodgings where he lived didn't cheer him up, didn't give him any pleasure. And because why he have to live there, he could have changed the place, because he could not change the place because the father didn't have money. And Albert got a room in the quarters of Munich where he had to live in a miserable condition. Okay. As we know that Einstein was not at all interested in living at Munich because no one has given him the pleasure. So he discussed his problem with Yuri. Who was Yuri? Yuri was his friend. So he discussed the problem with Yuri about the accommodation, means where he lived, what were the problem he is facing. So both of them didn't find any solution. When the problem discussed with Yuri did not get solution, then Einstein discussed the problem with his another friend named Elsa, who was his cousin also. So he discussed the problem with Elsa also, but Elsa suggested him to get through the exam, at least complete the diploma. But he was not convinced by that also. Then let us see, Einstein, he was not good at learning things, we all know. He showed his geology book, means he was interested in geology book, and that book was basically not prescribed in the syllabus. So from this statement we come to know that he reads the book which was not at all related to his studies at school. Okay. Then he liked music, we all know, and he played the violin regularly until his landlady asked him to stop. And he read books on science. We all know that he was interested in reading science related books, plus he was very good at maths. This all we have come to know regarding Einstein. Then Yuri and Einstein both had a plan to get rid of the school. Means Einstein did not want to stay at school, therefore both of them made a plan. So Einstein met Yuri after 6 months and asked him if he knew any friendly doctor who could give him a medical certificate, and he just told him that he had a nervous breakdown. Then ultimately Yuri found a doctor and fixed a meeting of Einstein with the doctor. And as Einstein met the doctor, he became very nervous. And what was the name of the doctor? Dr. Weil. So the doctor got convinced by looking towards the situation of Einstein. He was quite nervous. So he thought that this child is really having nervous breakdown. Therefore, he issued him the certificate without any cost. And otherwise, we all know that visiting a doctor charges some or the other fees. but he just asked that you just take Yuri to supper if possible. Okay, then Einstein told Dr. Ernest about his future plans, that he would, after leaving Munich, he would go to Milan where his parents live, and he will get admission into an Italian college. Then let us see what was the advice that his friend Yuri gave him. He asked Einstein to get reference in writing from his maths teacher. That will help Einstein in getting admission in the Italian college at Milan. So his maths teacher was Mr. Koch, and he willingly gave the reference. And Mr. Koch was a different teacher. So he understood Albert well. He wrote that Albert knew so much that he could not teach him anymore, and Albert Einstein is having that much of knowledge that he can get into the college very easily, means he was ready to enter a college. Then before Einstein could present the certificate in front of the head teacher, he summoned him, means he called Einstein, and he told Einstein that he wanted him to leave the school, as the teachers thought that his presence was a disgrace to school, and his presence in the class made it impossible to teach and learn. Teach for the teachers and learn for the student. And because he was never serious in the class, he keeping arguments with the teacher, and no serious work could be done when he remains present in the class. Then Einstein leaves the school. When he was being asked by the head teacher to leave the school, he wanted to speak about the headmaster and the school, but he didn't say anything. When he was asked to shut the door when he left the school, but he ignored it. He didn't listen to them, and even he didn't give a second look to the place, means to the school. He didn't look back. Only he met his friend Yuri before leaving the place Munich. Then Yuri wished him all the best in his life. So this is all the story, and this is all the experience of Albert Einstein at school. I hope you all have understood it well. So read the lesson once more from the book and try to understand it and try to solve the questions related to it. Thank you.